This is a super fast and easy recipe for homemade egg-free mayonnaise. Hello everyone, I'm Zernita and this is Blissfully Random, a channel where I share the tried and tested and everything practical and useful. Today we have the best homemade egg-free mayo, ready in seconds, suitable for pregnant women and with a vegan option. You will need, in the following order, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 clove of garlic, salt, pepper, 150 milliliters milk, dairy, nut, grain or other of choice, 250 ml olive oil, sunflower oil or your favorite oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and you can later add spices and herbs to your taste. Put all the ingredients in the set order in the blender cup, immerse the blender, start it on the high setting and very slowly start to pull up. You will see how the liquid ingredients thicken in seconds in a delicious mayonnaise that you just made yourself. Eat it right away or store in the fridge for up to 3 days. If you, like me, like fast and easy recipes, please give this one a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical and useful videos. I will see you again in my next one. Until then, stay happy and healthy. Bye!